Time now for a check of your forecast this midday. If you were thinking about maybe having a little lunch on the balcony, maybe hitting one of the restaurants downtown in Market Square, I don't know, it's a little hot out there.
I think you gotta be prepared. You're probably gonna be sweating throughout the lunch because it's steamy out there. Today's the hottest day of the week. Temperatures feeling like they're well up into the 100s. So be sure to take it easy, especially late this afternoon into the evening. The peak heating of the day, generally between about 2 and 5 o'clock this afternoon. That's when it feels like temperatures will be rather high. Here's the view from the Sky Park. The umbrellas are out. Good idea to find a patch of shade or some air conditioning this afternoon. It is going to be a hot one. We're already knocking on 90 in Knoxville. We're there in Maryville. 80 degrees in Crossville and 87 in Middlesboro. Of course, we have high humidity, a tropical air mass already in place like it has been, like it was yesterday. 95 degrees is what it feels like right now in Knoxville, 96 in Tellico Plains, 98 in Gatlinburg. Now this afternoon, a lot of us are going to feel like we're in the low 100s. Now highs, though, will be in the mid 90s like they were yesterday. 95 Knoxville, notice the upper 80s on the plateau. But factoring that humidity, it is going to feel more like 100 to 105, especially for those along and south of I-40. That's where it's going to be the warmest the further south you go. But notice even the Northern Valley and Southeast Kentucky temperatures feeling like they're in the upper 90s to around 100 degrees. So hot and humid everywhere today. We've been keeping a close eye on the remnants of what was Hurricane Beryl, made landfall in Texas on Monday, continues to push northward well outside of our area. The heaviest axis of moisture is well off to the west, but it is going to help initiate a few isolated hit or miss showers and storms this afternoon. It's not a great rain chance, but it's the best rain chance for the entire week. So later on this afternoon, more scattered showers and storms developing across the higher elevations, the plateau and the Smokies. These will be terrain-based, so forming off our higher terrain features. As we go into the evening, still seeing a few very hit or miss showers and storms. Some locally heavy rainfall will be possible, some downpours around, but then once we get close to sunset, coverage-wise, it decreases pretty rapidly, and then we're fairly quiet into the overnight hours. It is going to be a bit breezy, though. Beryl's far away, but it is going to help pick up our winds. So early tomorrow morning, winds still coming from the south-southwest, gusting to around 20-25 miles per hour, approaching 30, though, across the higher elevations of the Smokies. As we head into the afternoon, though, it will still be breezy, but winds will actually shift directions and come from the west-northwest. That's going to usher slightly lower humidity. So notice tomorrow, since there will still be a few more clouds around, highs generally in the upper 80s, close to average where we should be for this time of year. There'll still be some more sunshine during the afternoon, but remember, it's still going to be a bit breezy, and that's going to help manage feels like temperatures. So it is going to feel more like the lower 90s tomorrow. So tomorrow, maybe a little bit more comfortable to be outside. It's still hot, but not as hot as what we're going to experience this afternoon. The heat and humidity do ramp up, though. It's a short-lived drop in temperatures, back up to 90 by Thursday, then into the mid-90s on Friday, and we stay there heading into the weekend. I mentioned today was the best rain chance. Notice we're quieter, aside from a stray sprinkle early tomorrow morning. Then on Thursday, we're dry. Then notice the 20% Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and into Monday. Slight chance for an isolated shower, and that's mainly for the Smokies. All right, thank you so much.